It's just chemo here, and well, I just wanted to talk about a few things and also point out the fact that I found a third bird in my neighbor's lawn. Yeah, after saving the same type of bird, you find another one, but it's dead. A wee baby right there. Dead. The other ones are over there. One in that giant tree over there I had to climb. Yeah, kind of sad that, see, the baby, little one that was a little life and chirping away, gone. But that's just circle life for you. And the deal, life and death. Only if I could help that one too, like I did the other. Yeah, I found a full nest, a bunch of little ones dead beside it. Yeah, but I dug little burials for them, gave them each a proper burial. That one I cannot get to. Yeah, and over now.